Hey everyone, Vlad here, back with another episode of Vlad's Vlogs. Back at the family farm today, and as many of you may or may not know, on Monday is Orthodox Christmas. So today me and my dad are getting 2 pigs. Sorry, let me walk away from the truck. We're gonna be processing 2 pigs and a lamb for Orthodox Christmas, so I'll include some clips of that. I'll probably take out my drone today because it's supposed to be nice weather. But yeah, other than that, show you guys around again, and that'll be that. So thank you for watching, and stick around for some exciting and new content. Thanks, until next time. Alright everyone, so we finished the 2 pigs. I didn't film the whole process just because I don't know what you guys would say about it, and I'm not too sure what YouTube would have to say about it. So I'll include some little snippets of it in the video. But we have 1 lamb to do. We're gonna be roasting that as well, but I'll make sure to add a couple pictures or a video of the roasting process that we do, and what it looks like when it's all done in its last stage. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy.